Chloe, are those your stickers? Can you say sticker? Ooh. Is that a hamster?
Wow.
Ooh, I like your stickers, Chloe.
You want one on your arm?
Sticker? Can you say sticker, please?
Which one? Which one? That one way at the bottom, huh? Can you see your hand?
Ooh, Chloe, can you show Mommy your sticker?
And that one? Which one? The big one? Okay.
Chloe, show Mommy your sticker. Look, can I see the
Can you show
sticker on
Mommy?
your hand? Let me. Oh, you want me to? Can I have one?
Which one? That one?
Thank you, Chloe. Good sharing. Ooh. Can I see your sticker? Ooh. Yeah, thank you.
I think that's enough. Do you want to do that many?
Can I have another one? Oh, thank you. Thanks, Chloe. Do you want to save the rest?
Let's save them for later.